So, guys, do you have a bigger face like me and think about getting surgery? Well, you don't need it. Today, I am sharing some contouring techniques that can give you similar results without the need of surgery. A lot of you probably know how to contour, but in this video, I am showing you some techniques that really works. So, guys, my name is Sarish and I make daily videos on makeup tips and tricks. So, let's get started. So guys, everything I am doing today is easy to follow, so don't worry, you can do this yourself. I have already prepped my face, applied foundation and put concealer under my eyes. The base is ready, so now we are going to start the contour. So guys, I have two contour sticks. One I bought from Shein and the other one I bought from Dollarama. But the shades are very different from each other, so I am using the Dollarama one. So first I am going to contour my eyes. I will start by applying contour to the outer corner of my eye and blend it upwards. This technique lifts the eye without using any eye makeup. But now I have done my eye makeup off camera and I am going to show you another contouring technique with makeup. I will apply contour to my crease and blend it upwards. And you can already see how it lifts and change the look of my eye. Difference is very clear. This technique really works. Next, I will move on to nose contouring and I will apply contour along the sides of my nose. Now guys, I am applying two lines on both sides of the nose and I will blend these two lines to the downwards. So this technique sharpens your nose and give it a beautifully defined look. I will also add a bit of concealer on the middle of the nose and then I will blend it with a brush. I will also add a bit of concealer down the middle for extra definition. So guys, for contouring I have a rule. Mostly I like to use cream contour first and then set it with powder contour. Once everything is blended, you can see how nicely the nose is shaped. So guys, I always use beauty blender for soften the edges of contour, so it gives me a satisfaction that the contouring process is complete now. Let's move to the cheeks. Start applying the contour near the top of your ear and drag it down towards your cheek, then blend it inwards, not outwards. It is a tip for all of you guys. This creates the illusion of a lifted face, like you have had surgery. You can also add a little concealer under the contour to really make your jawline stand out. I will blend it all with a beauty blender to soften the edges and make it look natural. Let's move on the forehead. First I will draw two lines on both sides of my forehead and I will make a straight line in the middle. And then I will blend these lines with a brush. And you can see how nicely it gives a beautiful shape to my forehead. Lastly, we were contouring the jawline. I will create a cross by drawing a line from the bottom of my ear downwards and then another line from the middle of the jawline till the start of my chin. This is a great hack to get that sharp defined jawline and I really happy whenever I tried this hack on my jawline. Now that you have seen the before and after, you can tell how effective these hacks are. I use them all the time and they works wonder for me. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it and if you did, please subscribe it. Really helps my channel grow, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram and for Facebook, and all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you.